And the rough early lead is taken by Laon Land by the rail on the outside. He's Action Sailor moving up in between horses. Bersua and Pleasure Giver is on the outside in fourth. And as they leave the straight, it's Bersua in the lead, followed by Laon Land in second by the rail Action Sailor, and Pleasure Giver is on the outside. Heading for the backstretch, Bersua by 3.5 lengths, followed by Laon Land in second, and Pleasure Giver remains in third, moving up on the inside, number 3, Action Sailor. Into the backstretch, it is still Bersua by 1.5 lengths, Laon Land moving up on the outside in second, Pleasure Giver and Action Sailor. At the mid backstretch, it's still Bersua by 1.5 lengths, followed by Laon Land, Pleasure Giver and Action Sailor now moving up on the farther outside. And nearing the path turn, it's Bersua. And in between horses, Pleasure Giver, Action Sailor on the farther outside, and Laon Land running in fourth. But it's still Bersua in the lead, followed by Pleasure Giver on the outside. And here comes Action Sailor moving up on the farther outside. The last bend for home, it is still Bersua by the rail, Pleasure Giver on the outside. And on the farther outside is Action Sailor, Laon. At the top of the stretch is Pleasure Giver on the outside, Bersua by the rail, Action Sailor on the farther outside. Pleasure Giver and Bersua, Action Sailor moving up on the farther outside. But it's still Pleasure Giver and Bersua by the rail, and Action Sailor now moving up on the farther outside. Action Sailor on the farther outside, and Bersua by the rail. Finally, Action Sailor, Bersua, Pleasure Giver, Laon Land.